Hola everyone, so we're here from this analyze here of these games in Europeans Women Rapid Chess Championship. So it means, so the title of this game is Europeans Chess Union. So it means, so no more men's of this championship from Europe. So it means all women's rapid chess championship. So it means it's located by Europe in, so it means I don't know how where is the locations of this Europe. So it means all countries of this Europe and this Europeans. And also have a between from this international master from Ukraine is Yulia Osmak. So she was born on March 6, 1998 in Kyiv, Ukraine at the age of 26. So she was one of these Ukrainian girls chess championship several times. So she was win of this World Youth Chess Championship in the U12 girls age group. So she was win of this bronze medal of this youth chess Europeans twice of this championship. In 2021, so it means Osmak was winning of the second place of the silver medals of this Europeans individual women's chess championship in 2021. So it means she is a good player and thinker and mathematicians and focusing on these chess games and etc. And also have a international master from Spain is Sarah Candel. So she was born on March 10, 1997 in Tehran, Iran at the age of 27. So she was a started at the age of 8 years old. So it means she likes a tennis and basketball players from this one. And also she started classes in chess class here in learnings with between from this chess learnings from these classes here from this one. And also she was compete in Women World Chess Championship in 2017. So eliminate of this first round from this tournament games from this one. And also she was win of this awarded of the Spanish Women Chess Championship in 2023 in Marbella, Spain. So it means she was a good players, thinkers, and focuses of these chess games and etc. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in rapid chess in 15 minutes games. So white plays Yulia is e4, e5 Sarah, knight f3, knight c6, knight c3. So it means knight c3 is called three knights opening variation. So it means knight, so it means knight, knight, knight. So it means triple knight. It's called three knights opening variation. And also main line there, so it means, and also main line here is bishop c4 or maybe bishop c5. So it means bishop c5 is called Italian's game from this one. So it means called Italian games. So back there is she moves from knight c3 are moves by Yulia from these three knights opening, and also knight f6, bishop b5, and also bishop d6, a3, h6, d3, and also a6 is also threatening, so threatening of this bishop, and also bishop c4. So it means novelty by Yulia of these white pieces. And also old main line there is backwards bishop a4. So it is main lines there. So back there novelty is bishop c4, bishop c5, and also bishop e3 with the threatening bishop, and also protects d6, d4. So it means d4 with the threatening of this bishop with the targets here from this one, and also captured, knight takes d4, and also knight e5. So it means knight e5. For example, in accept, why don't we capture this of this knight takes here from this one, and also bishop takes d4. So it means if you capture this bishop here, and also queen takes here. So it means queen takes is a good decision from whites and black. So back there is knight e5, so with a threatening bishop, and also bishop backwards e2, and also knight f g4. So it means knight f g4 with the threatening of this bishop. So it means bishop threatening here on this one with the targets of this attacking this bishop, and also bishop f4, and also c6, castle, but castle. So it means castle does not want of this computer. So the correct moves there is bishop backwards g3. So it means bishop backwards g3 are best moves. So back there is castle, queen f6, bishop takes, another bad move by Yulia. So it means stockfish. So the best moves there is bishop takes captured, and also bishop takes, and also bishop takes knight, and also bishop takes queen, and also bishop takes queen again, and also pawn takes, or maybe rook takes. So it means, or maybe rook takes here. So it means rook, rook, rook f takes d1. So it means rook, rook f takes d1. So it means good decisions from this white and blacks. So back there is bishop takes e5, knight takes e5, and also knight b3. So knight b3 threatening bishop, and also bishop backwards a7, queen d2, h5. So it means h5 with the pushes of this h4. So it means h4 pushes there, incoming pushes, and also rook ad1. So rook ad1. So rook and queen with a threatening targets of this pawn from this d6. So it means d6. So it means rook and queen. It means target on this attacking this pawn. And also rook h6, knight d4, rook g6, bad move by Sarah. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is king g6. King g6 are best moves. So back there is rook g6, king h1. So it means amazing move by Yulia. So it means with the first move by king h1. So it means king h1. And also knight g4. So it means knight g4 with the threatening of this target from this f2. So it means f2, or maybe queen, triple from queen and knights here from this one. So it means target of this one. And also bishop takes, pawn takes, and also knight ce2. So it means another bad move again by Yulia. So it means bad move on this computer. So the best moves there is f4, or maybe, and so the empress had captured, and also rook takes pawn, or maybe queen g5. So it means queen to queen. So it means queen takes here, and also rook takes here. So it means rook takes. So it means good, good and nice move from this one. So it means development in this thinker from this chess. So back there is knight ce2, rook h6, good move by Sarah. So it means nice move again by black pieces there. And also queen f4, queen to queen, and also queen takes, knight takes, and also bishop d7, f3 with the threatening of this pawn, castle queenside, another good move by Sarah, and also pawn takes, and also bishop takes. So bishop takes g4 with the threatening of this rook by Yulia. So it means target. So target, attack this rook. And also rook d3. So rook f6. So it means rook f6 with the threatening of these knights. And also rook g3. Oh my god. So rook g3 with a threatening bishop. So it means bad move by Yulia. So it is bad move from this computer. So the best moves there is h3. So it means h3. So with the threatening bishop, if the bishop backwards h5, or maybe g4, or maybe here from this bishop g6. So it means bishop g6 is his best decisions. So back there is rook g3, bishop takes d4, rook takes bishop, and also bishop takes b2, destroyed by pawns. So it means failure. And also rook f3, rook e8. So rook a8 with the threatening of this pawn from e4. So it means threatening here from this one. The target's decisions when develops by rook, and also thinking from these targets. And also knight d3. So knight d3 with the threatening of bishop by Sara. So it means threatening. And also bishop a1. So it means bishop a1. So it means, so it's okay. It's also bishop c3. So it means bishop c3 here from this one. So it means bishop c3. And back there is bishop a1, king g1, forced move by Yulia, and also a5 with the pushes of this a4. So a4 here from this one. So it means pushes. And also king f1. Oh my god. So it means king f1. For example, in accept, why don't we capture this rook takes here from this rook takes f6, and also pawn takes f6. So it means pawn takes f6 with the idea from this double from this pawn. So it means double fianchetto, double pawns from this one. So it means double. Um, so back there is king f1, king c7, a4. So a4 with the stop of these a5 blocks here from this one. And also rook takes f3 check, pawn takes f3, and also b5. So it means b5 with the threatening of this captured from a4. So it is captured here from this one. And also rook g5. So it means rook g5, and also king b6. So it means king b6. So it means if you capture these three pawns from this one, and also rook takes here pawns. So it means rook captured this pawn. So it means captured. So back there is king b6, pawn takes, pawn takes, pawn takes b5, and also knight f4, and also rook c8. So it means rook c8 with the threatening of these targets from c2. So it means target from this attacking this pawn. And also knight d5 check, king a6, and also king f5. So it means rook f5. Sorry, so it means rook f5. So it means, I'm sorry, I forgot my thinking. So it means rook f5 from this one. So it means rook f5 with the targets of this pawn from f7. So it means target with attacking this one. So it means rook f5 from moves from Yulia. And also f6. So it means move by f6 here. And also king e2. And also rook takes c2 check, and also king d3, and also rook takes h2 destroy. So it means rook takes h2. So it means um so it means two pawns from white from Yulia here from these pieces. So black is five pieces from black by Sarah. So it means five pieces. So it means five pieces. So it means plus 3 by Sarah condemned. So it means plus 3. And also knight c7 check. And also king b6. And also knight takes b5. So it means knight takes b5. So it means 4 pawns from black, 2 pawns from white. So it means without without development this game. And also rook b2, so it means x moved by Sarah, so it means x move from this one, so it means x move. So it means brand X, so the best moves there is push a4. So it means push a4 from this one. So it is push f4. So back there is rook, rook b2. So it means rook b2. And also knight takes d6. And also rook b3 check. And also king c2. Sorry, king c2. And also rook b4 with a coming sorry, sorry, I forgot. So it means rook d4 here. And also rook d5. Oh my god, a4 pushes, good move by Sarah. So it means good move. And also king d3, rook b3 check, king e2, and also push a3. So it means bad move. So it means bad move. So what happened of this saying of this stockfish? Why are you moving from this a3? Why you moving of this a3? You're lacking conditions at this development. Why you also mistake move Delbots? So I think robotic. So it means robotic on this game. So it means Delbots. So the best moves there is rook b2 check. So if you king if you king if you king e3, so it means rook b3 check. So it means if you king d2 or maybe bishop c3 check. So it means bishop c3. So back there is a3, knight c4 check. So it means knight c4 check with this nice move from this Yulia. And also king c6. Oh my god. King c king c6. So what happened? Why she moves on king c6? So king c6, blunderations. Oh my god, double question mark. Lowest evaluation bar. Look at that. Oh, lowest evaluation bar. So it means blunderations. So king c6, blunderations by Sarah Kandem. So it means lost condition. It means lacking condition. So double question mark. So the best moves there is king c7, not king c6. So it means king c7 is very, very good, good, good decisions from black. So it means, look at it is higher evaluation bar of this black here. So back there, so after king c6 from this double question mark, and last shot this one, surprise. Boom! Knight a5 check. So it means why knight a5 check? So because it means trap rook double resign from Sarah Kandem. So why she resigns? For example, if you if you king b6 only move, or maybe knight takes rook, so it means game over, loss from black. Oh my god. So what happened? So it means Sarah Kandem is very lost condition. So it means why is king c6 here? It means blunderatious. It means the correct is king c7. So it means you should careful of these moves of these black pieces. So loss of this black. So the winner of this international master from Ukraine is Yulia Osmak. So it means congratulations of this Europeans Rapid Chess Championship. Before that, so it means I have a problem spot from MOA. So it means I have not yet in this requirements from MOA. So it means I cannot duty because I will complete of this MOA of these requirements here from OJT. So I hope of this enjoy of this game. So thank you so much here from this one. And I'm Mark Luwagi 17. So thank you so much for this one. Have a good day, keep safe, and adios.